Learning to speak English can change your life. English can help you travel, study, work, and make new friends. Many beginners want to speak English well, but they do not know where to start. Some people think English is too hard, but that is not true. You can improve step by step. You do not need to be perfect. You only need good habits and daily practice. Small actions every day can bring big results later. Today, I will share 5 easy habits to improve your English speaking. These habits are simple, useful, and great for beginners. If you practice them every day, you will feel more confident and speak better.
The first habit is to speak English every day. You do not need to speak for 1 hour. Start with 5 or 10 minutes. The important thing is to speak every day. You can speak alone in your room. Talk about your day, your plans, or your feelings. For example, say, "Today I woke up at 7. I ate bread and drank tea. I am going to work now." These are simple sentences, but they help a lot. When you speak every day, your mouth becomes stronger and faster in English. Your brain also learns how to make sentences more easily.
Many learners say, "I have nobody to speak with." That is okay. You can still practice alone. Look at things around you and describe them. Say, "This is my chair. My chair is brown. My phone is on the table." You can also speak in front of a mirror. This helps confidence. Smile and speak clearly. Do not worry if your English is not perfect. Daily speaking is like exercise. If you do it often, you become stronger. If you stop, progress becomes slow. So make speaking every day a normal part of your life.
The second habit is to listen to easy English every day. Listening is very important because it teaches you how English sounds. It also teaches you new words and useful sentences. Choose easy podcasts, beginner videos, or slow English lessons. Listen to short audio every day. Even 10 minutes is helpful. First, listen carefully. Then, listen again. Try to understand the meaning. Do not worry if you do not understand every word. Just keep listening. Your ears need time to learn English sounds. Little by little, understanding becomes easier. After listening, repeat what you hear. If the speaker says, "Good morning, how are you?" repeat the same words. If the speaker says, "I like coffee," repeat it many times. This is a great way to improve pronunciation. It also helps you speak naturally. Try to copy the voice, speed, and sound. This practice is simple but powerful. Many strong English speakers use this method. You do not need difficult lessons. You only need short daily listening practice and repetition. This can improve your speaking faster than you think.
The third habit is to learn useful phrases. Many beginners study only single words. They know many words, but they cannot speak. Why? Because speaking uses groups of words. Learn phrases you can use every day. For example, "How are you?" "I am fine." "Can you help me?" "I don't understand." "What does this mean?" "Please speak slowly." That is a good idea. These phrases are very useful in real life. When you learn phrases, speaking becomes easier because you already know ready-made sentences. Write useful phrases in a notebook. Read them every day. Say them aloud many times. Use them in small conversations. For example, if you meet a friend, say, "How are you today?" If you do not understand something, say, "Please repeat that." If someone gives you help, say, "Thank you very much."
These small phrases help you sound natural and confident. Learn 5 new phrases every week. After 1 month, you will know many helpful expressions. This is a smart and easy way to improve speaking.
The fourth habit is to think in English. Many learners think in their language first, then translate into English. This takes time and makes speaking slow. Try to think directly in English. Start with easy ideas. When you wake up, think, I am tired. When you eat, think, this food is delicious. When you walk outside, think, the weather is nice today. These small thoughts train your brain to use English naturally. At first, it may feel strange, but that is normal. Keep practicing every day. You do not need long sentences. Use easy words and short thoughts. For example, I need water. I am late. I like this song. My bag is heavy. This habit is powerful because it gives you extra practice during the day. You can think in English while walking, cooking, cleaning, or waiting. No book is needed. No teacher is needed. Only your mind is needed. When you think in English often, speaking becomes faster because your brain stops translating so much. The fifth habit is to not fear mistakes. Many beginners are afraid to speak because they think they will make mistakes, but mistakes are normal. Every student makes mistakes. Every fluent speaker made mistakes before. Mistakes help you learn. If you say something wrong, you can learn the correct way. If you stay silent, you learn nothing. So speak bravely. Use the English you know now. It does not need to be perfect. The goal is communication, not perfection. Imagine a child learning to walk. The child falls many times, but the child stands again. Learning English is the same. You may say wrong grammar. You may forget words. You may feel nervous. That is okay. Keep going. Smile and continue speaking. Confidence grows when you practice often. It does not come before practice, so do not wait to feel ready. Start now, speak now, and improve now. Each mistake is one step closer to better English. Now let us review the 5 habits. First, speak English every day. Second, listen to easy English every day. Third, learn useful phrases. Fourth, think in English. Fifth, do not fear mistakes. These habits are simple, but they work. You do not need expensive courses. You do not need perfect grammar first. You only need time, patience, and daily practice. Even 15 minutes every day can help you improve a lot over time. Make a small daily plan. For example, speak for 10 minutes in the morning. Listen to a podcast for 10 minutes in the afternoon. Review phrases at night. Think in English during the day. This plan is easy and realistic. If you miss one day, do not quit. Start again the next day. Progress comes from consistency, not perfection. Keep moving forward one step at a time. Remember, learning English is a journey. Some days feel easy. Some days feel difficult. That is normal. Do not compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to the old you. If you know more today than last month, that is success. Be proud of small progress. Every new word, every short conversation, and every minute of practice matters. You can become a better English speaker. Start today with one habit, then add another habit tomorrow. Keep practicing and stay positive. Use simple English every day.
Little by little, your speaking will grow stronger. One day, you will look back and feel proud of how far you came. Keep speaking, keep learning, and never give up. Your English future starts now.